Hi everyone, it's now time for another vocabulary video. In this video, I will be talking to you about various products and other objects we can use for spring cleaning. Because in about 1 month, it's going to be spring. Winter is almost over in Montreal. So let's begin this vocabulary video with the first product, this. We call this all-purpose cleaner. Can you see what's written on the label? All-purpose cleaner. We can use this, for example, to clean our floors. All-purpose means it's good for practically everything. Next, we have bathroom foam. We just spray this, for example, in our toilets or sinks or a bathtub to clean them. Bathroom foam. Before I talked about floors, well, we can use this object to clean the floor. We call this a mop. A mop. You could also say, I'm mopping the floor with this. A mop. Next, we can also use this for the floor, a broom, and to pick up the mess, we call this a dustpan. Broom, dustpan. Next, we have this cream here. Now, of course, this is not the kind of cream you would put on a cake or pie. We can use this, for example, to put in the sink or on the stove to clean the object. This is called cream, cleaning cream. Next, to use some of this stuff, you might need to use this object, this cloth called a rag. Rag. Now here, we have this object to use to dust. Let's say you have a table and you want to clean your table, you can take this and just brush the dust away. We call this a duster. Duster. Now here we can use to clean windows or mirrors. You can even use this on your car or truck, like the windshield. We call this a squeegee. Squeegee. Now what else we have here? Do you know what this is? Furniture polish. Furniture polish. Now, furniture could be tables, chairs, a cabinet. So we use this to make it shiny, the piece of furniture. Furniture polish. I have a couple of more things. Oh, here we have this big object here. Do you know what this is? We use this on carpets. You can even use this on a wood floor. We call this a vacuum. A vacuum. And what else do we have? We have this object. It's a brush. Now, we do not use this on our hair. This is not a hairbrush. This is to be used on furniture. Let's say you have some stuff on the table you want to get rid of. You can just brush it away. You could also use this on the floor if you want to get onto your hands and knees to pick up stuff. A brush. And we have two more things here. We have this little thing. It's a spray. It smells nice. It's called a fragrance. Fragrance. To make your room smell nice. Fragrance. And finally, we talked about squeegees before for windows. Well, we can use this foam on our windows or mirrors, and we call this a window cleaner. Window cleaner. So those are some examples of products and other objects you can use to do your spring cleaning. I hope everything's clear in this video. And of course, if you need to replay the video because you forgot something or you didn't hear the word correctly, then just replay the video. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the sun because while I'm filming this video, it's a beautiful sunny Sunday in Montreal. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.